welcome back to my channel Akshat and Riddhi. So today we will learn about chess, that how the chess dice are moving here and there and what we call them in English. So first we will know about pawn. See, pawn. Pawn is this. In Hindi we say sipahi. It can move only one step, and if anybody moves like this, so it can be hit him horizontally. See, like this. It can be. And now we will knowing about rock. So see which is rock. Rock is elephant, but in chess we not say it elephant, we say it rock, and in Hindi we say hathi in chess. So how it's move? See, it moves like this, and it moves like this, left and right. Now how it can move forward? It also can move backward. So this is rock. Now we are talking about bishop. So what is bishop? So first I tell you what is bishop. Bishop is this. In Hindi we say oot. So how it's move? The bishop moves horizontally. The white bishop. Now I am talking about one important thing about chess, so listen it properly. I am talking about white bishop. White bishop, not this one I am saying. That it is white color, so it's team of white. It is also white bishop. How? See it. The white bishop is on white column when the chess game starts. The black bishop starts when the chess game starts. How? See this. White bishop can only move on black squares. White bishop can only move on white. Now see, here is white bishop. Now how it's moving? See. It's moving on white. Now I am talking about black bishop. See, black bishop. So it's moving like this. So I have tell about bishop. Now I am going to tell about knight. So what is knight? This is knight. In Hindi we call ghoda, but in chess we call knight, not horse. So how it's move? Its move dhai means 1.5. How? See it. So first we will see 1, 2, 3. It's moved like this, 3 steps. How? We see. Once here it's move. Now it's take 3 steps. See it. 1 step this, 2nd step this, and 3rd this. This way the knight move. Now we will see this. Queen. You also see that anybody is saying queen is too much powerful in the chess. In Hindi they say रानी सबसे ज़्यादा बहुत शक्तिशाली है. So now we will see how it's move. It's move backwards horizontally, forward, backwards, diagonal left and right also. Now you have seen how the queen moves. Now I am going to tell about king. King. How the king move. King can move only one step. And when the king is in danger, we call check. And when the king cannot move from his place, then it is stalemate. And when it's out the game, that is checkmate. And the game overs. The person wins. So see how it's moved. It's moved this here, here, and here. It's moving. Like this I have moved. Here's king move like this. It also can move horizontally. Now I am going to tell about how the pawn do himself and another thing. Like game is starting, I am playing it. So how it starts? Like anybody is doing this, I am winning the game. He is taking this way, I do this. He come here, I do this. He come here, I do this. Now his chance come, he do like this. I come here. Now it's asking promote pawn to which? Promote means that we have to make pawn which thing? Bishop, k-knight, rook or queen. So it's asking which thing. So if the queen is most powerful, I can choose that. But I think rook is also powerful. I can choose that also. K-knight and bishop both are also powerful. But a pawn cannot make again pawn. So like I am taking queen. So I have to do queens. Okay. Now I am telling about that. When that's happened, the pawn. See here. My pawn have gone. Because it's make a queen. That's why it's happened. Okay. So this way a pawn make another thing. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I have one question about it, that which is the favorite thing did you like in chess in my video. If you like, please do the comment. Okay, bye bye.